all, how are yous? I'm just in the garage here working with my Z84 here. One issue I always seem to have, and I'm assuming other pilots do when they first maiden a craft, is making sure your servos are going the correct way. So in this video I'm just going to show you how this is set up. It's a good reference for myself next build, so I know I can go back and revert to a video like this and see what works basically, so I'm not going to make that mistake when I'm first throwing it in the air. Okay, so I've got the plane on, we've connected up, and what we'll do is first we'll just go over the basics of how things move on your transmitter and which way your aileron should move to have the craft flying the right way. Alright, so what we'll do, I'll plug a battery in. I've got my Tyrannus on, so we'll plug it in, and we'll start with the basics. Sometimes the basics can fool you, and the basics you can forget easy. That's me anyway, and it just annoys me every time I do a build and I come to my pre-Maiden. I've got to search for videos, so if I've got my own video it'll help me out. I'm going to put a video down in the bottom right hand corner of the transmitter working at the same time. So we're going to start off. What we'll do, I'll switch it into manual mode.
Manual mode.
I'll turn the craft around and I'll show you from the other side. To increase altitude, ailerons go up. To decrease altitude, ailerons go down. Banking to the right, banking to the left. Okay, so that's your basic setup in manual mode. We'll switch over now to angle mode, and I'll show you how it stabilizes itself and which directions your aileron should be moving with that. So I've switched into angle mode, or horizon mode. I've actually got it in. Hope you can see it easier here. I'll turn the plane around, it might be a bit easier to see what's going on. Okay, so nose goes down, ailerons go up, nose comes up, ailerons go down, plane banks. You'll see this aileron's up, this aileron's down, and the other way is the opposite. This aileron is up, this aileron's down. Hope that helps. Again, nose down, ailerons up, nose up, ailerons down, aileron up, aileron down, aileron up, aileron down. There we go guys, hope that helps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.